How to lock Facebook profile. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can lock your Facebook profile. So let's dive in. So first you have to open up your Facebook app. Once you click your Facebook app over here, you have to click these three lines on the bottom right corner that says menu. And then you have to scroll through and click the settings gear, or you can scroll through and find the settings and privacy option and click it. And now you simply have to just go to the settings. And here you have to just click this search settings over here, and you can search for lock. And then it's going to bring this option up over here that says profile locking, and you have to click this option. And it's going to bring you to this page, and on this page you have to click lock your profile. Now once you do so, it's going to just lock your profile for you. So wait for it and then you can see. And here you can see you locked your profile. Only your friends can see the photos, posts and stories on your profile, and click OK. And now you can see my profile has been locked. And that's how you can lock your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching.